Hello everyone, welcome back to Area Blog once again. So today we'll explore one of the most interesting concept in programming, that is recursion. So have you ever wondered how a function can call itself again and again until a condition is met, right? That's the power of recursion. So in this video we'll understand recursion in C with simple and clear example. So first question is, what is recursion? Why it is called recursion? So recursion is a process in which a function call itself directly or indirectly. So every recursive function has two parts. First one is the base case, the condition at which the recursion stops, and the second one is recursive case where the function call itself. So let's see the syntax. That is, I'll first create the recursion. See, this is the file I've created. Now I'll just paste the syntax here. So this is the syntax of the recursion. So you have to create a return type, your function name, and your base condition, that is stop recursion, and the second part is that is recursive call, right? So this is the basic syntax of recursion. So let's see an example of calculating the factorial of a number using recursion. So I've already written a code. I'll just copy paste it here. So let me expand this. So this is the basic, simple, and most clean and clear example of factorial, like factorial and the recursion. So I'll explain line by line. This is the input output library. Now we are declaring a function that is factorial n, right? So this is our main program, right? So till now I'll close it. And factorial n, what it does, we are defining the definition of factorial, right? So this is int n. We pass the value. Now the first case is if n equals to 0, then this is called base case. Base case, I've explained you earlier, that is the condition at which the recursion stop. If n equals to 0, it will stop. Else, that is called recursive case, where the function call itself, it will keep calling again and again and again. So this is the definition of function. Let me expand it, and then now comes to the main function. So what main function does? This is the main function. We declare int num, that is a variable. We are asking print a number, any kind of number you can print. We are asking the input. Uh, yeah, we are asking the user input. Now we are just printing the factorial of, we are passing the value factorial, we are calling the factorial function inside this printf. So what it will does, whatever the number user will enter, it will calculate the factorial, as we have written a formula here, n multiplied by factorial n minus 1. It will keep decreasing and multiplying the value. So let's run it. So gcc recursion.c -o rec. So it's compiled. Now we have to run it. So it is asking a number. For example, I am entering now 5. So see, this is saying factorial of 5 is 120. So I'll give you an assignment. So you can just use this code from my GitHub repo that I'm mentioning in the my video description, or you can try it your own with the different number. You can use 10 or 20, any kind of number. So key point about recursion, always define a base case to avoid infinite recursion. So it's like it always required to define this base case so that it should not run in infinite recursion. Recursion can sometimes be less efficient than loops. So, and the third one is recursion make more complex problem solving like factorial, Fibonacci series, tree traversal, traversal, easier to understand and implement. So I'll say you can write the Fibonacci series. You can try as an assignment and write down in a comment if you face any problem. If you face any problem, then we will solve the Fibonacci series in the next video. If I see the comment in comment section that there is a problem writing Fibonacci series, and that's the recursion, a function calling itself until a condition is met. So in upcoming video, we'll explore storage classes in C. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated and more programming tutorial. See you into the next one.